You're bidding on a Vitamix blender. This is a VM0145 036 This thing has a Starbucks number on it also, but it's on the bottom and I'm not turning it over just yet. You'll see it in the pictures. I don't know too much about these. I guess you can program the buttons. I don't have a clue, but here it is. I'm hitting number 1. Single beverage. That's water, by the way. And that says we're ready for program 2. So I guess you can program these somehow. This is for frozen banana. Here you go. Starts out slow. Wow. That'll fix your banana. Here's number 3. This is cold foam. And this one is dry cold foam. That looks like about it. This is what it is. I can turn it off back here. Turn this around. Oh, there's the switch. Could you lay this on its side so I could show the bottom, please? Yeah, that's cool. This is what it is. Good luck bidding.